When you search for PVC garage floor tiles, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, ProSource Fit Puzzle Mat. First up, we have the ProSource Fit Exercise Puzzle Mat. Priced at $139.99, this black mat caught my attention right away because it's a bestseller with over 60,000 reviews. If you want a solid protective layer for your garage floor that also enhances your workout space, this is worth a serious look. The high-density EVA foam gives you fantastic support and cushioning. You won't feel uncomfortable when standing or working out, which is crucial for those long sessions. It covers 144 square feet, so you have plenty of space to work with. Plus, the non-skid surface means you're safe from slips while you lift weights or do yoga. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If your garage doubles as a gym, you need something durable that can withstand heavy use without losing its shape. However, some users have mentioned that the mats can compress a bit under heavy weights, which might create minor surface variations. Now, some people complained about this issue, but here's the thing. If you're using them primarily for light workouts or as a play area for kids, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a comfortable, cushioned surface for both exercise and general garage use. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-thin or if you don't need that much coverage. At this price, it offers excellent value for what you get. Now, if the size of the ProSource Fit mat feels like too much, this next option is a smaller, budget-friendly alternative that still packs a punch. Product number 2, Hulkove Puzzle Mat. Next up is the Hulkove 18 PCS Puzzle Exercise Mat. At just $22.99, this is an incredible bargain for anyone looking to add some protective flooring in their garage without breaking the bank. With a solid rating of 4.4 stars and over 780 reviews, it's clear that people appreciate its value. If you want a cost-effective solution for your workout area, this is a great choice. This mat features a dual-texture design that ensures a comfortable touch, whether you're barefoot or wearing shoes. Each tile covers 18 square feet, giving you enough space to create a workout zone. The thick EVA foam construction is durable and easy to clean, which means you won't have to stress about spills or dirt. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're just starting out with workouts at home, having a surface that's easy to maintain is a huge plus. However, some users have noted that the tiles can shift slightly during intense workouts. While this can be annoying, the interlocking design makes it easy to rearrange. If you're doing light exercises or yoga, it's not that big of a deal. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want quality flooring for your garage workouts. Skip this one if you need a more heavy-duty option that can withstand extensive wear. For the price, you definitely get your money's worth. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need something with a specific focus on drainage. Product number 3, VEVOR Interlocking Drainage Tiles 55 PCS. Now let's talk about the VEVOR Interlocking Tile Set. Priced at $79.15, this package of 55 drainage tiles provides a unique solution for anyone dealing with wet areas. With a 4.6-star rating from 823 reviews, it seems to be a favorite in spaces prone to moisture. Each tile measures 12 x 12 inches and features drainage holes that prevent surface water from accumulating, which means no more worrying about slips or odors. The interlocking design allows for easy customization, so you can create a layout that fits your specific garage needs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you live in a rainy area or have a garage that tends to get wet, these tiles are fantastic for creating a safe and dry surface. However, a few buyers pointed out that the tiles can sometimes be a bit slippery when wet. Now, some people complained about this issue, but here's the deal. If you ensure proper drainage and positioning, it shouldn't be a major concern. This is perfect for you if your garage is frequently damp or if you're looking for safety features in your flooring. Skip this if you're not concerned about drainage or if you have a completely dry garage. For its drainage capabilities, the price is quite reasonable. Next up, If you love the drainage concept but want something a bit less bulky, this next option is a good alternative. Product number 4, VEVOR Interlocking Drainage Tiles 50 PCS. Following that, we have another VEVOR interlocking tile offering, this time a set of 50 tiles for $76.90. With similar features to the previous model and a 4.6-star rating, it's worth mentioning for those looking for a slightly smaller package. If you're in need of an effective drainage solution without excess, this could be what you're after. They provide a non-slip surface and are very easy to assemble. If you're looking for something that fits perfectly in a variety of spaces, from garages to kitchens, this design works wonders. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you tackle multiple projects or areas in your home, having versatile tiles can save you both time and effort. However, similar to the other VEVOR tiles, some users found them a bit challenging to clean if dirt gets caught in the drainage holes. Now, some people complained about this issue, but I'll be real with you. A good hose down can usually take care of it, making it manageable. This is perfect for you if you need flexibility in flooring for multiple uses. Skip this if you require a large coverage area, since this set is slightly smaller. At this price, it's a solid investment for the features you get. Finally, if you're looking for something that combines comfort and durability, this last option might just be the best fit. Product number 5, AIRHOP Exercise Equipment Mats. Last up is the AIRHOP Exercise Equipment Mats. At $99.99 for 12 high-quality tiles, this product stands out with a durable rubber top and EVA foam base. With a 4.6-star rating and over 1,500 reviews, it's a crowd pleaser. If you want a mat that offers serious protection for your garage floor, this deserves your attention. The upgraded dual-layer design not only protects your floor from scratches, but also absorbs shock, making your workouts more comfortable. Each tile measures 24 x 24 inches, covering 48 square feet in total. This is particularly beneficial if you're doing high-impact workouts. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you frequently train with heavy weights or machinery, you need something that can handle the pressure without showing wear. However, some reviews mention that the interlocking locks could be better, with some tiles coming apart during intense sessions. Now, some people complained about this issue, but here's the thing: ensuring proper alignment during setup generally mitigates this concern. This is perfect for you if you need a heavy-duty mat that can withstand daily wear and tear. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight or less expensive. For what you get, the value here is impressive. So there you have it. The ProSource Fit Puzzle Mat is great for those who want large coverage. The Hall Cove Puzzle Mat is perfect for budget-conscious buyers. The VEVOR interlocking drainage tiles are ideal for wet areas, and the AIRHOP mats provide heavy-duty protection. Each has its strengths, so consider your specific needs before choosing. No matter what you decide, you can't go wrong with these top picks.